Click on the link below to get discount. The Quicksilver 879150A87 Distributor Assembly is a crucial component for any boat owner with a 5.0L, 5.7L, or 6.2L MerCruiser stern drive engine. This assembly is designed to deliver reliable performance and ensure efficient engine operation, serving as an essential upgrade or replacement for aging or malfunctioning ignition systems. Installation of the distributor assembly is straightforward, thanks to its compatibility with MerCruiser engines. The clear instructions provided make it accessible even for those who may not have extensive mechanical experience. The assembly fits snugly, ensuring that it aligns accurately with the engine's specifications, which promotes optimal performance. It includes all necessary components, such as the cap, rotor, and ignition module, meaning you won't need to purchase additional parts. What stands out about the Quicksilver 879150A87 is its durability. Constructed with high-quality materials, it is built to withstand harsh marine environments, including exposure to saltwater and vibrations common in boating. This durability translates into a longer lifespan, reducing the frequency of replacements, which is a significant advantage for boat enthusiasts who rely on their vessels for both leisure and work. Performance-wise, the distributor assembly excels in providing reliable ignition timing, leading to smoother engine starts and improved throttle response. Users have reported noticeable enhancements in engine performance and fuel efficiency, which are crucial factors for any boat owner. The ignition system is vital for preventing misfires and ensuring that the engine runs at peak efficiency, and this assembly delivers on that promise. Overall, the Quicksilver 879150A87 Distributor Assembly is an excellent investment for anyone looking to maintain or improve their MerCruiser stern drive engine. With its combination of quality, performance, and ease of installation, it stands out as a top choice in the market. Whether you are a seasoned boater or a newcomer, this distributor assembly will greatly enhance your boating experience.